Welcome to the Irish
Riverside Cottage Revival.
Alright, morning everybody.
Morning.
This is part 2 of our polytunnel build. I'm squinting because the sun's in my eyes.
And my eyes are watering, so it's not because I'm crying,
Yeah.
it's hay fever.
So, see behind us, we've laid down, that's the door section. And then this side is one of the arches. I think there's 8 of them, I think. So, I'm going to flip the camera around now. Right, so this is the door section, all built up. And then what we're going to do is these struts here. One is for the sides and one is for the top. They are going to be attached. I'm not probably the door one first. So they'll be attached and they'll be standing up. And then we've got to do some balancing act while we stand that one up and attach it to this one. So we'll do that on time lapse. And then after that we'll show it completed, built up, and then there'll be one long time lapse of us joining all of them together. Yeah? Otherwise, Vivian's found something over there in the grass, I think. Vivi!
She's never too far
what are you
away,
doing? She's always on the prowl for something. Right, so find a position for the camera and stick it up on time lapse. Right, so this is our first section together. Yeah, I know, I nearly tripped over something then. But yeah, obviously this is where the door goes. There's probably more parts in the door bit than this bit from when I've been looking at the instructions.
Yeah, I think there is.
But yeah, this is the first section. And ours is an 8 metre long one, isn't it? So it's going to finish up somewhere over there, here, yeah, about there. Yeah, yeah, somewhere where you are now, where Carol is standing now.
Maybe.
So we're going to get all the other ones attached to it. I'm going to put it on time lapse, and one long time lapse. And after that, it's the positioning and then digging the holes for it to sit in.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I'll put you back on time lapse. Well, after what seemed like an age,
It's up!
it's, you know, I've lost track of time. I don't even know what time it is. I don't even know what time we started.
No.
There we are. All the frame built up. All that's to do now is we've now got to mark the ground for the feet. And then we'll be digging some holes, dropping it in, levelling it up, and then a bit of postcrete. Only in certain legs today though, because we haven't got enough postcrete.
We didn't realise how much
No,
we needed. And now
but
it is.
I think we can work out how many bags we need from just having 2 bags.
Yeah.
If we just see how many 2 bags do.
As long as we get all 4, as long as 4 corners and maybe 2 bits here are done,
Yeah.
the rest can wait. It's not the hardest job.
No, it's just fiddly. Because they're only 4mm notes. So tiny. Well, not as tiny as 3mm notes, but 2, but still awkward.
I didn't realise how big it was.
Thank you.
I know.
May not leave that in there.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Let's see.
So I'm going to put this back on time lapse. And we're marking out, aren't we?
We'll figure out how to put it in.
Yeah. Morning everybody.
I'm coming.
Caval's behind me.
I'm not.
Start of a new day. We're going to continue this morning marking out the holes for the legs of the polytunnel and get the polytunnel sat down and yeah, with shovel and spirit level and get it all sat straight so we can put some postcrete in the holes to secure it in position. Right, so I'm going to put it on time lapse. 22 hours later. My God. So what we're going to do now, after digging all these, we've now got to shuffle the polytunnel, if I get it in view. Yeah, we've got to shuffle it over, can't remember which way I'm going here, that way, drop it in the holes, and then level it up. Level it up, make sure it's straight. Then we can get the postcrete in, of which I think we've only got 2 bags of it because we weren't sure how much. We knew we were going to use more than 2 bags, but we weren't sure how far a bag would go. So what we're going to do is use the 2 bags and then work out from there how many more bags we need. So it'll be do this bit, a trip to builders merchants, get more postcrete, and then come back and do that. But I'm going to put it back on time lapse for us doing our leveling up and shimming it around. So back on time lapse. Right, that is as level as we're getting it, isn't it? That,
Yeah.
because that was a pain. Leveling up, pushing each leg down, then it needed to come back up again. But what we've been doing it on is the doors, because the doors out of everything need to be straight. because we're making 2 straight sections of doors. Well, 4.
Yeah.
So that bit of wood's just holding the leg in position, which I think we have got to do a few more like that, and we just push them out a little bit.
Yeah. This one here.
This one on door frame.
This one needs to...
Just come out. We'll put a bit of wood behind it or something. See, I'm not sure how it's looking on camera at the moment, but a couple of minutes ago when I stood further down here, this door frame compared to the door frame at the far end, it looked like one of them amusement park funny houses that you used to walk into.
Was it that bad?
Well, yeah, where the door were like that compared to other one. Oh, now my phone's searched for Funhouse. That's just my watch heard me and did a search for Funhouse. But yeah, so
I think we're done.
we're now going to, well, postcrete now, aren't we? Right, so back on time lapse for postcreting. Right, so day 4,565,000. We've finally got to the postcrete stage.
It feels it.
It does, doesn't it? So it's all levelled up, straightened up, and we've got the postcrete in. I think we're going to leave it there today. We're going to give this time to go off. Yeah. But at the moment, I'm pleased with it. Aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Very pleased with it. So tomorrow, it is the day of the doors and hopefully the roof.
Putting the carp over the top.
Yeah.
We shall see.
We just hope we get the good weather. But it should be, well, I ain't even looked at
It seems to
weather.
be getting better at evening though,
Yeah,
doesn't it, than
it does.
through the day.
I mean, it's about, what time is it now? 6?
6, I think.
Yeah. 6 o'clock. You can see from Sky, it does look like it's the best part of the day. But I'm hoping that tomorrow we'll start with the doors,
Yeah.
get the polycarbonate on, and hopefully tomorrow, if we get the time,
It'll resemble a greenhouse.
yeah, that'll be done.
Oh,
So, yeah. So we'll see you in the morning.
bye.
Bye.
Another door.
Yeah, right. Now it's time for the doors. Gonna pan this around so I can actually see them. These are what bits. Instructions, a flat surface to work on. We're going to put them together actually inside the polytunnel.
Because it's a nice day.
Yeah. The flattest surface we've got, which is the garage floor, it's freezing in there. So we're not doing that. So I'm going to put this on time lapse and build the doors. So that's the bottom half at door done, and top half. So these, if I can just get hold of it, go above them doors like that. It's a bit hard to see there, but so you've got top half, the top bit of the door that opens. We had to come into the garage to finish these, to build these bits because
It's raining.
it's on and off with rain today. So I like 1 second and then spitting. You don't want to be caught outside while when it absolutely throws it down. So as far as the build, the metalwork goes, we're done, aren't we?
Yeah.
So the next thing, which we're going to wait until tomorrow because it's getting on a bit now, is the polycarbonate sheeting. Here Carol is cutting out one of the door sections. You get one door out of that side and one door out of that side, and the middle bit is for some top section here, which has to go there. This is the seal that sits over it. These were a pain yesterday. One tip, if you can, don't fit them while it's windy. Hey, because they blow about, they catch the wind. Wind's a bit down today, so it might be easier to fit. Right, we're going to finish cutting the rest of these out. The Carol's now fitting the weather seal. This one's all the way from the bottom all the way over the top. This bit here is what Carol was just cutting out. And once that's done, the roof can go on. Right, so that's all the sheeting on the top now. The vast majority of the bolts are in. Just a couple more to fit, but it's secure when it's down. The hardest part about that was manhandling the sheeting into place, because once the wind got hold of it, it was a like a gigantic sail. A few times we thought it were going, but now what we've done, we've fitted our doors, and the next bit is to cut out and fit the polycarbonate sheet into these doors, and then we're on the final stretch. If we go inside, all fitted. This door's still to be fitted yet. But what I want to do, we will probably get them cut out and fit the doors. So that's it. It's more or less built. Door's done. Top one opens on its own. Needs a bit of WD-40 on it.
A little bit.
And the bottom one,
There you go.
which you can't open. You can't open the bottom one without the top one being open, can you?
No, the top.
So you can open the top one independently for, I don't know, is it airflow?
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah. Walk down here, then we'll walk up through the middle towards the doors. Try and walk down here without tripping over stuff. So here we are inside. A little sneak peek of a shelf. But I think we'll be having shelves all the way down it, won't we?
On both sides.
Down both sides. So a good idea with some guttering, didn't we, on one at sites?
Yeah, for some
We
strawberry
hang
plants.
some guttering down there
Yeah,
on either side.
with some danglies.
Yeah. So I'll go up here towards the door. It's more or less all finished. Like I said, that needs some WD-40 on it, that bracket. So the next video, which I think we'll bring out on Wednesday, will just be a little thoughts video about it. Anything that we've come across while we've been building it, for anybody who's actually going to go through with this. But yeah, that's going to be it for this week.
It's been a long one.
Yeah, it has. This has took some building, this. It's more so because the bolts are all 4mm, and your fingers start to not be able to handle
It gets cold
them
quickly.
small nuts. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.